A very good morning and pleasant day, dear admins, parents, and my loving pupils. Hi, my dear pupils. During COVID 19, it is it can be a source of courage, strength, and resilience. The pandemic added panic to the already stressful time for pupils. View the future, no classroom environment to spark inspiration. Education is often defined as the one key which can help an individual deal with any problem throughout his or her life. However, in the last couple of years, there have been a tremendous increase of terms of online education or online classroom. There are numerous challenges faced by students while studying on online class. First and most, students need to spend more time when completing a task within an online classroom in comparison to a physical classroom. It is due to the fact online classroom the students will not be able to directly contact the teacher whenever there is not be able to direct contactly the teachers when there is any problem. Instead, he would have to solely rely on different technical or visual methods to contact the teacher. Solving queries, submitting assignment will require more time than usual. Thus, students might not be able to keep up with loads of assignment. The requirement of better time management skills is essential, and within a physical classroom there will be not an issue, but when it comes to online learning, the pandemic added panic to the already stressful time for pupils. With the future no classroom environment to spark inspiration, many pupils are already demotivated. Parents can help their children rediscover a desire to learn while helping them during these challenging times. A few tips of motivation as the grades bound to go down approach lower graders with comparison, interest while helping them during challenging times. Okay. Dear parents, teachers are perfectly positioned and traditionally fill the teaching rate, but it is becoming more of a challenge with online learning. Parents should take an increased interest in their children's lives. We have to take people out into the world through virtual lessons, include activities for them to complete. The interactive sections are taught by good teachers to mix online learning. Many parents think people should pass with flying colors, but right now it is important to remember people should and must learn critical skills of tolerance and humble. With home and school life blurred, parents must guide their child, make their life relevant and to their own lives. People must join the online classroom and have a say in what and how. People must work hard not because they have to, but because they are interested and passionate. So, these are some of the biggest challenges faced by our students through online learning. There are many challenges which students face when it comes to online learning. And some of these challenges are the lack of proper infrastructure, the temptation for procrastinating, easily being distracted, and other challenges. So, during this pandemic, people feel very down. So, dear parents and pupils, take this as a challenge and show them great impact to be success in life. Always be motivated and produce great self-discipline to achieve your goal or dreams. Please take note Year 6 is only a beginning. You have another 5 years to accomplish your mission. Make your teachers remember Rome was not built in a day. Don't feel discouraged, but encourage yourself to improve your studies through online. Pandemic will come and go, but not your studies. Your studies is very important forever. Education is key for success. Thank you, my dearies. Take care and stay safe.